How to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, PipinBizNet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to transfer crypto, simply open up your Binance and then tap on the Wallets tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do so, you can see the withdraw option there. Since you want to withdraw or send, tap on withdraw, and here it'll show you the list of available coins that you have. Then you can simply tap on the particular coin that you would like to withdraw, and then it should give you your option to enter in the withdrawal address. Then the next thing is you can simply head over to your Trust Wallet, right? Then once you head over to the Trust Wallet, you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, simply tap on the receive option here and then select the tokens. So suppose you want to receive Bitcoin, then tap on it and you should get your wallet address. You want to copy this address or you want to scan your QR code using the Binance here. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.